What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Eco Flare. I am planning to make another rose hair tie today. Here's an example of one I've made in the past. It's not the best, but I'm here to take you on the journey, whether it's successful or has the potential to become successful later. Here's another one I created with leaves that I added. And the materials I'm going to be using today, if you'd like to follow along, is a scrunchie or a hair tie of some sort, preferably organic. If not, that's okay too. And my decoration, which I'm using these paper roses, gloves, because I'm going to be using that hot glue gun, lastly, and patience and a good attitude. Let's do it. So, fun fact about the company that makes this, they are called The Paper Studio. It is trademarked by Hobby Lobby, and they use recycled paper and it's handmade, other sustainable materials. And I thought that was really cool because they said what they use in addition to recycled paper is local grass. So it's pretty unique to me. I thought it was really awesome. I think I might give this more pizzazz. Give a few more flowers on there. And this is my new rose hair tie. It's gonna get better as time goes on. I'm definitely gonna try to learn how to sew at some point and discover different kinds of glue, because I found that fabric glue doesn't always work that good. But thank you for spending a little bit of time with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm still learning what I'm doing, so I appreciate your patience, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.